It is well to remember that plants are the ultimate source of food for all forms of animal life. Like animals, plants need proper food and sufficient air and water in order to live and thrive. Here we shall see the life story of a typical plant condensed into a few minutes. Beauty is the principal appeal of flowers. Beauty of color, beauty of form, beauty of fragrance. Also, the flower has a most important and most interesting practical function. It is the forerunner of the seed, and it is by means of seeds that the flowering plants reproduce themselves. The seed of the pea plant germinates or starts to grow by sending a root downward into the soil and a stem upward into the air. With the time speeded up, we shall see the main or primary root branching and developing root hairs near the tips. The roots have two uses, namely to anchor and support the plant and to absorb water and other food from the soil. The latter is accomplished mainly by the root hairs. The stem pushes up through the soil in an arched or bent over position, thus protecting its first young leaves. The stem supports the leaves which need air and sunlight for their work. Oxygen of the air is used in breathing, and carbon dioxide is used in making starch for food. The stem of the pea plant, not being very rigid, depends upon its tendrils for support. The leaves are the breathing organs and also the food factories. The tendrils twine about the string and thus support the stem of the plant. In the picture, see them respond to the stimulus produced by the string. The growth on the inner side of the curve of the tendril seems to be checked by the contact with the string, and this causes it to twine around the support. Note how firmly the tendrils attach themselves to the support. They twine around and around until there is not the least danger of being pulled loose.
Now another kind of problem, and it looks like a very interesting one. Mary Jones is dialing up for what appears to be a heavy date, and if it's okay, we'll butt in for a few minutes and see what's going on. Well, what's this? Checking up? Working from diagrams? Following instructions? Absolutely. Scientific art of beauty. The latest from Loveliness Laboratories. Research to the rescue, helping Mary emphasize all the nice things in her very nice face, showing her how to minimize certain features, how to accent others. Lady, science has done all right by you. You sure look swell. Uh-oh, now she's gone and ruined everything. But beauty science could have helped her here, too. Let's go to beauty headquarters. Yes, Hollywood. And meet famous Paramount makeup man Eddie Sims, who thinks that glasses like hairdos can flatter the features. That just like eyebrow and lip lines, the lines of one's glasses can bring out good points, make bad points inconspicuous. When an actress's role calls for specs, it's just part of the normal makeup problem to Eddie, and the way he's solved this problem can be of tremendous value to the 10 million American women outside of Hollywood who have to wear glasses, not to play in pictures, but because of eyesight.